You need three things to shave your face: a facial razor, a beautiful face with a lot of hair, and also a moisturizer because अब वो risk किच नहीं लेता. The razors I am using are from Gub. They come in a pack of 3, highly recommended. I've been using them since so long. We have a little guest in the video. He wanted to come in my godi, so I gave him his favorite seat ever. Now moving forward with the video, using the moisturizer generously and keeping the angle of the facial razor at 45 degrees. Using it very patiently and calmly, it not only removes your facial hair but also helps us to get rid of those dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, which eventually helps you to reduce the face oil and get that flawless makeup. Now our baby is little bit sleepy, so हम उसे सुलाकर आते हैं. Now cleaning the face with a cotton pad or a cotton cloth. Avoid towel because it will be a little bit harsh on your skin.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.